MooMooLearners.
Hello everyone, welcome to MooMooLearners. Today we will learn how to help a child accept brushing calmly using simple and consistent routine. This video is not about brushing technique. It is about helping a child feel calm and ready. Let's begin our brushing story. Prepare the child for brushing twice a day using visual supports if needed. Pause here. When you say it's time to brush, give the child at least 15 seconds to prepare. Let the child hold the toothbrush first. This builds acceptance. Do not rush. Show the toothpaste and say, "We will use a little paste." Gently stress the word little. Brush slowly. Count if needed. Follow the visual schedule and allow the child to move at their own pace. For rinsing, gently guide the child to use water with a glass if needed. Give enough time. Do not rush. Brushing is finished. Smile and acknowledge the effort. The secret ingredients are simple. Slow down and stay consistent. Slowing down gives the child time to process and feel safe. Consistency means following the same steps every day. Familiar routines always build confidence, and confidence makes brushing easier. You can download the visual schedule used in this video from the description below.